Love of science. A personal slideshow inspired by the Great Muslim American Road Trip. All it took was one student to inspire Zainab Abbas to completely change her career path. While she was teaching a college biotechnology class, a student who wasn't living up to his potential caught her attention. Zainab started working with him closely, and he almost instantly turned around, improving his grades and even helping others. But unfortunately for the student, this attention came too late. He was arrested in class one day because of his past mistakes. Zainab was determined to not let this happen to others and began to focus on early intervention. She herself had always been inspired by science, remembering when her father brought home encyclopedias as a child, and she became obsessed with the inner workings of the heart. Now, years later, she wants to bring some of that same love of science to other children. She started SciTech2U, which focuses on increasing the number of students from underrepresented communities entering STEM fields. SciTech2U creates after-school programs giving kids hands-on experiences with engineering, anatomy, genetics, computer science, and the environment in an affordable way. The program offers subsidized tuition so that everyone has a chance to attend. She says that kids love being able to experience science firsthand, whether that's experimenting with chemicals or touching a frog's heart. They feel proud of their work, and that's why they keep coming back. This short slideshow was inspired by the Great Muslim American Road Trip, a 3-hour series produced by Unity Productions Foundation. In this series, activist and artist Mona Haider and her husband Sebastian Robbins travel historic Route 66, Chicago to LA, learning stories of American Muslim roots along the way. While the subject matter of this slideshow isn't included in the main road trip film, this is part of our educational outreach initiative, sharing amazing stories of Muslims enriching America. Your support makes this work possible.